I oversleep this morning. I oversleep this morning.
I jump out of bed. I jump out of bed.
I turn off my alarm. I turn off my alarm.
I look at the clock. I look at the clock.
I can't find my glasses. I can't find my glasses.
I bump my knee on the bed. I bump my knee on the bed.
I put on my slippers. I put on my slippers.
I hurry to the bathroom. I hurry to the bathroom.
I forget my towel. I forget my towel.
I splash water on my shirt. I splash water on my shirt.
I hurry into the kitchen. I hurry into the kitchen.
I burn the toast. I burn the toast.
I smell something funny. I smell something funny.
I take the pan off the stove. I take the pan off the stove.
I knock over my coffee. I knock over my coffee.
I grab some paper towels. I grab some paper towels.
I wipe the table. I wipe the table.
I slip on the wet floor. I slip on the wet floor.
I help Mrs. Brown up. I help Mrs. Brown up.
I drop my teacup. I drop my teacup.
I pick up the broken pieces. I pick up the broken pieces.
I leave the stove on. I leave the stove on.
I turn it off right away.
I
Turn it off right away.
calm down and take a deep breath. I calm down and take a deep breath.
I tear my shirt sleeve on the door handle. I tear my shirt sleeve on the door handle.
I stain my dress with jam. I stain my dress with jam.
I wear the wrong shoes. I wear the wrong shoes.
I step on the cat's tail. I step on the cat's tail.
I find my car keys. I find my car keys.
I pack my handbag. I pack my handbag.
I lock the front door. I lock the front door.
I check my watch. I check my watch. I realize the wall clock is fast. I realize the wall clock is fast.
I check the real time on my phone. I check the real time on my phone. We are not late at all. We are not late at all.
I sigh with relief and smile. I sigh with relief and smile.
We calm down and laugh together. We calm down and laugh together.
Ready to use these sentences? Let's practice them in a real conversation in our next video. See you there!